Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking bell peppers in the microwave. For this easy recipe we need bell peppers. So as you can see, you can use any color bell pepper, they all cook the same way. I'm just using tricolor pepper. I have red, yellow, and green. And for the seasonings, I'm going to use salt, black pepper, and garlic powder, and you can use any seasonings you like. And we need microwave safe dish to cook the peppers. So I washed the peppers before making the video, and now I'm going to cut them into slices. So to slice the peppers, just cut it in half and remove the stem. And take out any seeds inside. You can just use a spoon to scrape out the seeds and throw them out. And if there are a few left, that's fine, they're totally edible. So don't worry if you didn't remove them 100%. And now, once you took out the seeds and the inside and the stem, just cut it into slices. And how big are the slices totally depends on your preference. You know, you can make them smaller, totally up to you. And put the slices in the microwave safe dish. And now repeat with remaining peppers. So now, once I slice the peppers, I'm going to season them. So just sprinkle on the seasonings. And you can always add more seasonings later after they cook. So I have salt, black pepper, garlic powder. And now toss so they're coated evenly with seasonings. And now they're prepared for cooking. So let's cover the microwave safe dish with a microwave safe lid. And you can just cover it loosely, you don't have to make it tight. And let's put it in the microwave. And I'm going to set the microwave for 7 minutes on high. So now after 7 minutes of cooking, let's take a look. So I recommend just piercing one with a fork. Look at these peppers. So they're too hard for my liking, but it's really a personal preference. You know, I have a lot of them. If you have one, I'd say the odds are they'll actually be cooked. But just test and see if they're tender enough, and if not, just add some more time. And if yours are tender enough, then you can just take them out and enjoy. But I'm going to add 2 more minutes. So now it's done cooking. So let's check on the peppers. I think they should be good now. Let me just pierce one with a fork. So yeah, they're pretty tender yet still crisp. I don't want them to be mushy, but I just want them to be cooked. So this is good for me. And again, always check if you want them more tender, just microwave it some more. It really depends on your microwave and how many peppers are you cooking at one time. So I'm taking them out now. Here you go, perfect. They look amazing. Look at this nice and healthy side dish. They look so good. So you can just move it to a plate. Serving. Perfect. Looks so good. Perfectly cooked peppers in a microwave. So easy to cook them in a microwave. Anyone can do it. And now let's try them. I'm so excited about trying it. So let me just cut it. So see, they're tender. You can actually tell they're tender when you cut it. So good. They're perfectly seasoned, perfectly cooked, and they're tender yet still crisp. This is such a great healthy side dish. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!